Hi guys! For today's video is ang atong balon while galaag ta sa Sagpulan Falls. Ako i-fix guys ang among balon while naglaag dito guys. O diba enjoy? Ang first is halang-halang na manok with a lot of sili. Sana all. Homemade dynamite with charity version. Lumpia, chicken lumpia homemade, o diba? Fried chicken with a lot of squash. Hindi ko kabala na guys, no? Of course, ang atong lechon manok, na pinakalami nga lechon manok. Huwag din mawala ang atong rice, o diba? Nakikita rice guys. O, mura na guys. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Picture na.